AB is a diameter of the circle. CD is a chord equal to the radius of the circle. AC and BD when extended intersect at point E. You have to find the value of angle AEB. First draw a circle. In this circle, AB is the diameter. The diameter always passes through the center. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. And draw a chord CD equal to the radius. CD is equal to the radius CD. CD is a chord equal to radius. And AC and BD, so AC को join करना है, फिर extend भी करना है. So AC, this is AC, join करो. और इसको क्या करना है फिर? Extend. Join AC and BD when extended intersect at point E. Intersect at point E. You have to find this angle, angle AEB, angle AEB, that you have to find here, angle AEB. Figure clear? Here AB, what is AB? Diameter. O, center. CD, chord. And chord is equal to radius. And chord is equal to radius of the circle. That is given. Chord is equal to the radius of the circle is given. Chord is equal to the radius of the circle is given. So first write down the given. A circle with center O such that AB is the diameter of the circle and CD is a chord equal to the radius of the circle. CD is a chord equal to radius of the circle. CD is a chord equal to radius of the circle. To find angle AEB, to find angle AEB, construction, join OC, OD and BC. Join OC, OD and BC. Join OC, OD and BC. Now solution. Pen down and listen here. Listen. Listen. OC is called radius. OD, radius. CD, what is CD? Chord. According to question, what is CD is a chord equal to? Radius. That is also equal to radius. OC radius, OD radius and CD is a chord that is equal to radius. That is equal to, so we can say what? OC is equal to OD is equal to CD. Yes or no? So solution, CD is a chord equal to radius of the circle implies OC equal to OD equal to CD. OC is the radius, OD is the radius, but CD is a chord. According to question, this chord is equal to radius. So we can say OC is equal to OD is equal to CD. Yes or no? Yes or no? Implies triangle OCD. In triangle OCD, OC is equal to OD is equal to CD. The three sides are equal. In any triangle, three sides are equal. Such a triangle is called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So triangle implies triangle OCD is an equilateral triangle. Triangle OCD is an equilateral triangle. And an equilateral triangle, each angle is equal to 60 degree. In equilateral triangle, each angle is equal to 60 degree. Each angle is equal to 60 degree. Implies angle COD is equal to 60 degree. ये angle find किया मैं. है angle COD is equal to 60 degree. अब check कर दो, figure check कर दो. Angle COD is the angle subtended by which arc? CD. Angle subtended by the arc CD. Arc CD. Where? At the center. At the center. COD is the angle subtended by arc CD at the center. So no. With the same arc CD, name another angle section. Name another angle. The same arc CD. With the same arc. The same arc CD, another angle. Yes, very good. Angle CBD. Angle CBD. Which angle? This angle. इसका भी आर्क कौन सा है देखो, सेम आर्क. ठीक है. सो अब देखो, this is angle subtended by the arc CD at the center. This is the angle subtended by CD on the circle out of the arc. Outside the arc. Which arc? CD. Outside the arc CD. Yes sir, CD के अंदर है, ये outside है. Yes or no? So we can apply theorem. Which theorem? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the arc at any point on the circle outside the arc. So we can apply the theorem. So we can say implies angle AOB equal to 2 angle CBD. Write in bracket theorem. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the arc at any point on the circle outside the arc. Implies, you have to write theorem in bracket. What is angle AOB? 60 degree equal to 2 angle CBD. ये 2 इधर शिफ्ट कर दो. is equal to angle equation. So what is angle CBD? 30 degree. Any doubt? ये एंगल आ गया हमारे पास 30 degree. Any doubt? और देखो ध्यान से. What is AB? Diameter. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. अगर ये diameter है, what is this angle? 90 degree. Reason? Angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degree. Angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the at any point on the circle is 90 degree. So angle A C B equal to 90 degree. Reason? Angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degree. Reason clear? Theorem clear? Angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degree. ये clear? हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? ये एंगल फाइंड करना है, ये वाला एंगल फाइंड करना है. नाउ लिसन, ध्यान से देखो. इन ट्रायंगल देखो, ध्यान से देखो, बी सी ई ये साइड एक्सटेंड किया देखो. So this is called exterior angle. Exterior. So we can apply exterior angle property. In any triangle, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So we can apply the theorem. We can apply the theorem. Which theorem? Exterior angle property. Because one side here produced. Which side? EC produced here. So it is a exterior angle. So angle ACB is equal to angle देखो ये ट्रायंगल है, एक एंगल ये आएगा, एक ही है. क्लियर है? दैट इज एंगल CBE प्लस एंगल CEB ब्रैकेट exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Now substitute the value. What is angle ACB? 90 equal to angle CBE 30 degree plus angle 30 इधर शिफ्ट कर दो, 90 डिग्री माइनस 30 डिग्री इक्वल टू व्हाट इज एंगल CEB इक्वल टू. अब देखो CEB मीन्स ये एंगल है. अगर मैं लिख दिया देखो AEB तब ये एंगल आ रहा है. सो नाम तो चेंज किया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम, तो एंगल तो सेम आ रहा है. So CEB की जगह क्या लिख सकते हैं आपको? AEB implies AEB equal to 60 degree. So find the value of angle AEB पूछा था. What is the value of angle AEB? 60 degree. 60. So what is the answer of this angle? 60 degree. ये steps clear है ना? CEB देखो CEB ये एंगल है. अगर मैं लिख दिया देखो AEB बात तो एक ही है. क्लियर है? क्लियर? तो सेम एंगल है, सेम एंगल. रीजन क्लियर है सबको? एनी डाउट? स्टेप्स क्लियर? तो इधर एक बार ध्यान रखना, इधर AOB नहीं है, इधर ये कौन सा एंगल है? एंगल सबटेंड बाय एट द सेंटर. What is the angle subtended by at the center? C. AOB is the diameter होगा ना? AOB is the diameter. Here COD है. COD is equal to 2 angles CBD. ठीक है? क्लियर है? Here AOB नहीं है, देखो. Replace this AOB by COD. Angle subtended by an arc at the center. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double is double. The angle subtended by the same arc at any point outside the arc. The clear steps clear? Clear? AOB, replace this AOB by COD. COD. Okay? COD. Very important question. In this question, you have to find the value of angle AEB. The value of angle AEB is equal to 60 degree. The three theorems you want to apply. First, here you have to apply which theorem? The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it on the circle outside the subtended by the arc on the circle outside the arc. Here, angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degree. The third theorem, exterior angle property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Next question. In the given figure, AOB is a diameter. In the given figure, AOB is the diameter of the circle, and C, D and E are any 3 points on the semicircle. On the semicircle, find the value of angle ACD plus angle BED. This is a value. This is angle ACD and this is BED. In दोनों का sum find करना. You have to find the sum of these two angles, ACD and BED. Figure given. First, write down the given. Write down a circle with center O such that AB is the diameter of the circle. Next line, C, D and E are the points on the semicircle. To find angle ACD plus angle BED. Construction. Join AE. Construction. Join AE. Construction. Join AE. Construction. Join AE. Now listen. A, C, D, E are the points on the circle. It forms a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, if all the vertices lies on a circle, is called cyclic quadrilateral. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. 180 degree. So, listen. Solution A, C, D and E are the points on the circle implies A, C, D, E is a any quadrilateral if the vertices lies on a circle, such quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. Is a cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? Is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is that clear? And in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is, what is the angle opposite to the angle ACD? Angle AED, this angle. Yes or no? Okay. So, this is the implies angle ACD plus angle AED is equal to 180 degree. Reason? Angle sum of the opposite angles of a sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. This is equation 1. Clear? अब देखो, what is AB? Diameter. Then what is the value of angle AEB? 90 degree. Reason? Angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degree. Angle AEB equal to 90 degree. Reason? Angle subtended by a diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degree. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. So, how to make equation 1 and 2 clear? Apply the theorem. First, sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree in this figure. Here, you have to apply the theorem. Angles subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degree. Now, add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So, left hand side or right hand side add कर दो. Left hand side ACD plus, in second equation left hand side is AEB equal to right hand side 180 plus 90. जल्दी से आपको एंगल ACD, ये दोनों देखो कंबाइन कर दो. एंगल AED, दिस एंगल प्लस एंगल AEB, दोनों ऐड किया तो विच एंगल है? ये दोनों ऐड किया तो ये पूरा एंगल आएगा. सोरो angle AED plus angle AEB, that is equal to angle BED. Angle BED, ये पूरा एंगल आएगा ना. क्लियर है? देखो ये एंगल ऐड किया और ये एंगल ऐड किया तो ये पूरा एंगल आएगा ना. सोरो सो क्या लिख सकते हो इधर? एंगल BED is equal to 180 plus 90, 270. Hence, ये प्रूफ सॉरी hence find है ना. क्लियर है? ठीक है. Angle, you want to find the value of what? Angle ACD plus angle BED. So what is the value of angle ACD plus angle BED? 270 degree. 270. Clear? Yes or no? Right. Question number 3. Another important question. AB and AC are two chords of a circle of radius r such that AB equal to 2 AC. If P and Q are the distances of AB and AC from the center, then prove that 4Q squared is equal to P squared plus 3R square. Draw the figure. The two chords given. AB and AC are the two chords. According to this question, length of which chord is greater? AB or AC? AB, because AB is equal to double of AC. है ना, AC का double होना चाहिए length AC, है ना. The value of AB is equal to double of AC, that is given. So draw a chord. Two chords, A, B and AC. Length of AC is double of that of length of AB is double of that of AC, and O is the center of the circle. A distance of the chord AB from the center is given. Distance is always perpendicular. But the distance of the chord AB from the center, P, given a question. Suppose this point is D. Distance of the chord CD from the center, that is Q, given. And this point is E, that is also perpendicular. Distance is always perpendicular. Join AC, sorry, OA. And what is OA here? What is OA? Radius. So that is R. OA is the radius, R. This is the figure. So, write down first, given a circle with center O circle with center O such that AB equal to 2AC. AB is equal to 2AC. Or लिख दो, write down below this statement. OD is equal to P. OE is equal to Q. OA is equal to R. OA is equal to R. To prove 4Q square is equal to P square plus 3R square. Next, proof. देखो proof में first we can listen. First we can apply the theorem. Listen here. Listen. OD perpendicular to AB. So we can apply which theorem here? Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. So we can say AD is equal to half of AB. That one first. OD perpendicular to OD perpendicular to AB implies AD is equal to AB divided by 2 लिख सकते हैं, half of AB लिख सकते हैं, एक ही बात है. AD is equal to BD है, इसका what is the meaning of this? AD is equal to half of AB. AD is equal to half of, write in bracket the theorem. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord, equation 1. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord, equation 1. Same way again, OE perpendicular to AC. So you can apply the same theorem again. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. So we can write AE is equal to AC divided by 2. Apply the same theorem. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Is clear? Any doubt? The text steps clear? Now, listen. Now you have to apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADO. ADO. Right on. In triangle ADO, AD square plus OD square is equal to OA square, or AD square plus, what is the value of OD from the figure? P. देखो OD P. So P square. What is the value of OA? R square. From this equation we can find the value of AD. So AD square is equal to R square minus P square. Yeah? But what is the value of AD from equation 1? AB by 2. AB by 2. From equation 1, substitute the value. AB by 2 whole square is equal to R square minus, from equation 1. What is AB by 2 square? AB square divided by 4 equal to R square minus P square. Cross multiplication. So AB square is equal to 4R square minus 4P square. This is equation 3. That's the clearest. Same way, going to apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AEO. In triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AEO. Again, apply. That is AE square plus OE square is equal to OA square. AE square plus what is the value of OE? What is the value of OE? Q plus Q square equal to what is the value of OA? R. From this equation, what is the value of AE square? R square minus Q square. And what is the value of AE from equation 2? AC by 2. Replace AC by 2 whole square equal to R square minus Q square. AC square divided by 4 equal to R square minus Q square. Clear? Cross multiplication. AC square cross multiplication. What will be the answer? 4R square minus equation 4. Clear? Now pen down. Listen. Pen down. Is that clear? Is that direct? No problem. Now listen. But it is given that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to given. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on. What is the square of AB? AB square equal to square of 2, 4 AC square. ये क्यों किया स्क्वायरिंग? हमारे पास AB स्क्वायर का वैल्यू है ना. What is the value of AB square? And what is the value of for AC square? 4R squared minus 4Q square. You have to substitute this value here. What is the value of AB square? 4R square minus 4P square equal to 4 bracket 4R square minus 4Q square from equation 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3. Here which is common? 4. Equation, 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4. From equation from equation 3 and 4. From this 2 which is common? 4. R square minus is equal to 4 into 4R square minus this 4 cancel. Remaining terms R square minus P square equal to 4R square minus 4. जब तक क्लियर है सबको? Clear? Any doubts? Steps clear? Next. Now minus 4Q squared shift left hand side. Minus 4Q squared shift left hand side. And the left hand side shift right hand side. So it becomes minus 4Q squared shift left hand side. It becomes plus 4Q squared. So right hand side 4R square plus R squared shift right hand side minus R squared minus P squared shift right hand side plus P squared 4Q squared 4R squared minus R squared plus hence 4Q squared is equal to P squared plus 3R squared. Clear? Steps clear? Any doubt? Right.